Back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My mic went flat when filming this video, so do excuse that, rookie error. Guys, this specific video is going to cover the sun visor on an 07 to 13 Toyota Rav 4. Fairly straightforward to pull them off, but they are a little different to your normal sun visor. So yeah, definitely sit around, watch this video. Don't forget, if you do need this part, we do sell them here at Parts Factory Oz. So you can just click on the title of the video, the link will pop down, order it, get it in your hand, then come back to this video, watch it again, and I will show you how to install it correctly, etc, etc. Guys, this specific model, or this specific sun visor rather, is for the model with the courtesy light. It does have the electrical wiring running through it, so just bear that in mind before going and ordering from anyone else. But other than that, it's going to take about 3 minutes to do the whole installation itself. So buckle up and let's get into it. Alrighty guys, I'm here in the car now, and I've just basically here I demonstrate kind of what goes wrong with the sun visors in general. They'll flop down into your face, which can be very annoying, especially after a long day's work. You're driving home and it's just flopping down your face. You're trying to throw it out of your way, and of course eventually it snaps off. So I grab the flathead screwdriver here and I just muck around for a second, just basically loosen off the clips. They're like a push clip. So basically that plastic that you can see right there, it pushes up into the clip, spreading the clips into the roof, holding it in place. So my advice is to simply just play around for a sec and see how it pops down like that. That's what we're looking for. And then just do it on the other side. Once it pops down, then the whole thing just wiggles out, etc. Do excuse my big head in the way. But yeah, see that? Pops down, which is what we're looking for. And then yeah, you can just wiggle the sun visor. Just like that, and boom, it comes out nice and easy. So you can see the setup of these sun visors is that little push-pull clip system, but it also has the electrical wire that runs through it, which is important to note when you are ordering online this new part. You definitely need that in your car. Now here I demonstrate the Parts Factory equivalent. As you can see, they're a very, very, very sexy looking sun visor. They do have all the English writing and whatnot, so you're not going to have different languages all over the interior of your car. And they are actually better quality than the original OEM Toyota sun visor. Don't take my word for it, just order it. If you don't like it, send it back and I will pay for the postage. Guys, as you can see, they are OEM replica, as I said before, but they do have the same system, push-pull clip system that goes up into the roof and holds the sun visor in place. So it's important that as you raise it into the roof, you see that little white tab, it needs to be in line with, obviously, the plug into the roof. So just here I pull this cap off, but then I realize you don't really need to, so definitely do not pull that cap off. Put it back on, get it working properly, and then I'll be back in a second. Alrighty, so we're going to raise this sun visor into the roof. You can see how I've got the sun visor kind of facing lengthways of the vehicle. That way you can just raise it up, hopefully in a second. Oh yeah, and I also demonstrate just here that our visors have the little extended shade, which is a Gucci feature that isn't actually on the OEM sun visors. So yeah, as I said, they're better than factory. So make sure if you do have any remaining clips in, just pull them out. Mine actually fell into the roof, so try not to do that. Make sure that clip comes out correctly. As you see here in a second, it kind of flicks up into the roof. So as we approach, or as we bring the sun visor back up, you'll very quickly realize this is a very easy job. You then just push those clips back up, nice and firm, and yeah, it'll spread those internal clips, holding the sun visor, and I say, voila, there. Clip it back in place, and I believe I pop it up into place. No, I don't. Alrighty, that's it guys. That concludes the tutorial video. Nice and straightforward. It's taken us about 3 minutes to get the job done. I'm sure you guys can do it even quicker, not having to bloody talk your head off. Guys, other than that, that's about all I have to say. I'm not really sure what I said here, but if you can, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. This is a great YouTube channel to have in your toolkit. if you are doing your own DIY repairs. My name's Lucas Strabge. Thanks for watching another tutorial video. I'll see you next time.